Hi guys, my name's Janie Kaiser. I'm an independent consultant for Paparazzi Accessories. I am just starting out. I actually just got my welcome kit today, so I thought it would be fun to open it on video and walk you guys through what all I got. Like I said, just starting out, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna sell my jewelry. I am a customer of probably like 6 months, so I'm very obsessed and I love the jewelry. These are earrings from Paparazzi. This is a necklace from Paparazzi. I also have on two rings, two of my favorites, and these are all bracelets from Paparazzi. So they're all $5. They're lead and nickel free, which is really important to me because I have sensitive ears. So if I wear something that has lead or nickel in it, especially in my ears or on my fingers will start to itch, and then my ears get really irritated and red, and it's just gross and not comfortable. So here is my box. Let's get this party started. So, super excited. There's actually 3 different boxes that you can order. Basically, there's more supplies in the bigger ones, but there's also more jewelry, but it is like kind of randomly selected, like they select it for you. And I went with the smaller one because I would rather hand select my jewelry, so it's kind of personal preference. So has this really pretty bubble wrap. It has the Paparazzi design on it, so that's cool. And then it has like this box inside, and it's very pretty. It says lift here, so that part comes out. And the jewelry is all on the side, all wrapped up, so we'll take a look at that. Oh, the box in the middle is heavy. Oh, that's really pretty. Nice quality. It's so shiny. I'll definitely keep that with this. So it has, looks like a magnet. Yep, magnet close. It says welcome to Paparazzi. The welcome book in there. Party planner. There's some peg hooks. I actually have a pegboard coming. It was only actually no, I started to order one from Amazon, and then I saw they have some at Lowe's in stock, so I'm just gonna go over there and get one today since I have jewelry already here. And then I don't know what this is. It says invite. Let's see what's in there. Is a party checklist. Welcome to Paparazzi letter. A decal. New consultant checklist. So like everything you need to get started. Oh, that's cool. Little like loyalty cards. Buy 12, get the 13th free that you can use. Now, the awesome thing about Paparazzi is like you don't have to do any of these things. Like you don't have to use the buy 12, get 13 free. You can make up your own like loyalty program. Like I plan on doing a giveaway on my lives because I've seen other consultants do that, and I think that's really fun. There's a Paparazzi. I think this is probably the receipt book. Yeah, so if you do like home parties, you can write those out. There's a compensation plan. So much stuff. A consultant application form, so you can have other people join your team. Leadership worksheet. Definitions. Some stuff I'm going to have to read up on because I have not read any of this. Here we go. Here's some fun stuff, like a little jewelry, like a necklace display. So that will be fun. Looks like little postcards. Let's get this party started. You can send those out. I think these are thank you cards. They're super cute with everything so pink. A jewelry repair kit. I've seen from other consultants' videos that, sometimes you get jewelry that you think is broken. And I mean, you can send things back for returns, but a lot of times broken is really just one of these little rings came open. So a jump ring, and it's just super easy to just close it again, or if you're missing a jump ring or something. So they've included a lot of extra jump rings and some earring backs. Oh, and some of the little extra hooks, the little fish hooks, and like flyers. So that's super awesome. So I actually personally have some earrings that lost the little, spring. Like if you look at these earrings, like that little spring and ball can fall off of there. So that's cool. And a whole bunch of super cute Paparazzi shopping bags. Love it. Okay, so that stuff was fun, but what I really want to get to is what jewelry I got, because I am super impatient, and I already placed 2 more orders besides this welcome box that comes with, I think it came with 35 pieces plus an additional 5 bonus pieces. But I wanted a good variety for my first party. So, new jewelry comes out every weekday, Monday through Friday, and it's in the afternoon for me, Central Time. In Kansas, it's about 2 o'clock, sometimes a little bit before and a little bit after, so I basically start stalking the page about 1:30, 1:45. And I'm just clicking refresh until it happens. So I just started that this week. And yeah, I already ordered 2 more times. And you have to be fast because I made my order within 5 minutes of it refreshing, and 5 to 10 of the new items were already sold out. I saw them, and then I tried to add them to my cart, and before I could check out, they were gone. So they were removed from my cart. So sad, but I will try again next time. Okay, so I'm gonna start looking through some of this jewelry. So it gets kind of packaged up, and I don't know if this is grouped by necklaces. No, this is another bag of necklaces. So we'll just start looking. So this is a pretty gold chain. Oh, it's a really long one. And all of their necklaces do come with matching earrings, so I think that's really cool. Oh, this is one of their blockbusters. I've seen this. So what's cool about blockbusters is they keep them in stock. So a lot of Paparazzi jewelry, it's kind of like a one and done thing. They come out, and then if you don't order them, then they're gone, and you can try to get them from other consultants that got them, but for the most part you can't get them again. So but blockbusters, they keep in stock, so this is one of those. And so it has the nice little simple tassel earrings, and then this really long necklace that comes down with the little tassels at the end. So I'm going to have to figure out how to show these a little bit better, but you can kind of see how it would lay like that. So it can be kind of as long as or as short as you want. Super pretty. Sorry for all the rustling. I plan on having everything opened before I do live parties, just so people won't have to sit through this, but this is just my unboxing, so you can actually see, if you wanted to join, what it's like getting your order right out of the box. So this is a nice silver necklace, and it comes with the little black beaded earrings, and it has these really cute little tassel accessories at the bottom. There's like a little moon with a little face on it, and then some little beads and a circle and a heart. And this probably looks heavy, but it's actually really lightweight. So it's really cool, and it's probably like a medium-ish length. And here's another. I'm not sure if that one is a Blockbuster, but this one is, and I actually have this one myself, and I wear it all the time because it's very versatile. Oh, it's in a bag inside a bag. In a bag in a bag. And sometimes you have to be careful because there is a little, like, staple inside there, so you don't want to just go ripping your necklace out of the package without disconnecting that little staple. Okay, so this is one of my favorites, and it's, I thought it had a name. What a Gem. And it's really cute because it has just like this big rhinestone. And it has like the little basic rhinestone earrings. And you could wear it, you know, like with a nice dress, or I mean you could wear it with a casual outfit, and it kind of is short enough that you could wear it, you know, and it would sit above your top, kind of like that. And most of the pieces also have like an extension, so you can adjust it. So that has like about a 2-inch extension on it. So very pretty and would go, you know, with anything. So I will probably keep that one in stock. This is definitely a statement piece. Big, chunky, black and silver. It's called In Good Glazes. Sometimes the names of these kind of crack me up. Look at that. So has the little stone earrings. It's a little bit on the shorter side. Very cute. So what do we have? That's 4. So here's number 5. I guess that is maybe that's my bonus 5 pieces. This one's got some ribbon on it. It's really cool. Oh, I like this one. Look at that. It's got like the little loose piece that turns around in there. And it's got like some, I don't know, it's like a light, like a tan color. Kind of looks kind of pinkish in the camera, but it's like a brown, and then this ribbon is brown. And then it has like the little ball earrings. And that's a little bit, I would say, a medium. Oh my gosh, there's something that's so exciting. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. The hard part about this for me is that I'm just going to want to keep everything. Because, I mean, you have to have every color and every metal and, like, the whole collection. But you can't because they come out with new stuff every single day. So, I'm going to have to limit myself. I should show you my, like, personal collection of paparazzi jewelry. What you see back there is stuff that, like, I got, well, some of it is stuff that I didn't realize I already had. So I have duplicates, and I just loved it that much that I bought it twice. Or some of it's actually little kid jewelry that I thought I could wear, and then, I don't know, I put it on and I realized, yeah, nah. Like the little bracelets were too small. Okay, so this is like, I'm gonna have to learn all my different metal colors. I think it's a brass. Let's see, does it say? Copper. Maybe it's like an antique copper, because it's not the bright copper. But super cute, little ring earrings. Has kind of like the double chain necklace, and it's like one of those shorter ones that you could wear with any kind of top. Super cute. There's a turquoise with silver metal. Little crackle turquoise earrings. Shorter necklace. You start trying to go a little bit faster so this video isn't super long. So those of you who are just trying to get an idea of what comes in the package. Oh, this is a whole set. Oh, this is so pretty. Wedding waltz. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Tie the knot. So these are like all pearl. So there's like a little pearl ring. Pearl earrings with rhinestones around them. With pushback. Super pretty. Bracelet, cuff, and then the necklace. I gotta get that out of there because it is gorgeous. This would be one that I would be tempted to keep for myself, but it would be so pretty for a wedding. I mean, it's bridal level jewelry for $5. I mean, that's amazing. I love it so much. I'm not going to open the other ones. That bracelet. Can't even see like how sparkly that is. Oops, where went the tag? So you now have to keep it. The pearl looks kind of off-white on the camera, but no, it is very pretty white. And you can kind of squeeze these a little bit to make them fit your wrist better. And these are a matching set, but you don't have to sell them or buy them together. You can sell them separate. Very pretty. And then the ring. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm just looking at what's here and I'm just like, oh, I love it all. Oh, this is super long. It has like a medallion. I think they call it Mandela. I'm gonna butcher all these names because I can't read. So this is one of those antique brass, and it has the little tassel earrings. So it's pretty simple, but very pretty. And then it comes down into this little design with the tassel at the bottom. So I'd say this is probably like a medium length. So that might, I mean, when I looked at these at first, I was like, that's a long length, but there are longer. This is medium in the world of paparazzi. Yeah, some more individual pieces before I break into the multi-packs. Hope you can hear me over the rustling. I'm going to go back and watch this. And by the way, this is my first ever video, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. And, you know, first time opening a paparazzi order, so I can't find the opening. There we go. Muscle it. If you want it, go get it. I love the colors of this one. So, uh-oh. See, that's a bad look. This is why you open it beforehand. So this is one that I'll get to use my little kit for, probably, because it looks like the links just came unattached. But, you know, no biggie. You just have to stick it back in there and pinch it closed. So I will take a look at that one, but you get an idea of how pretty these colors are, and I don't think the camera does it justice, but very pretty blue little fishhook earrings, and like blue and orange and like a, I don't know, like a smoky gray type color on this necklace. And it's it's almost like probably the longest. I think there's some that are even a little bit longer than this, but definitely a longer necklace. Very light. The earrings actually have a little bit of weight to them, but the necklace is very light. So far, I'm really impressed with the pieces they selected for me. Oh, I was wondering which ones were my bonus ones, but it's labeled. So these are the Fall into Freedom free pieces from the 2019 fall collection. So just kidding, those other ones were not my bonus pieces. Here's another long one. Really cute little rhinestone earrings in a long, it's like a darker pink, almost a purple gemstone with a big gather of rhinestones at the bottom. I'm going to need one of those little magnifying glasses so you can see the detail in that up close, but it is gorgeous. And also a longer, I guess it's not super long, it's probably like a medium to long. It's like an orange long chain with some crackle. No, it looked like there was crackles in it in the camera, but it doesn't actually. Nope, no crackles. But how cute is this for the fall? It's like a pumpkin color. Little beaded dangle earrings. And then the little pendant with the orange in the middle. So cute. I don't think I have any of this color, so I'm going to need something like that in my collection. Let's see, what are these? Some rings. I haven't seen any bracelets except that one in the set. Here's some bracelets. Let's look at some bracelets. Because I am obsessed with bracelets. And I feel like bracelets are underrated. People just don't wear enough bracelets. Let's be serious. You know what? I just realized maybe this isn't the smartest thing. I'm like mismatching the name of the jewelry in the bag, and I'm just like throwing it in a pile and then separating it. Hopefully I don't need to know what these are called. Love this one. This is definitely like my style. And it's very stretchy. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break when you go this far, and that is like quite a stretch. And then like, look how pretty that is. It's very like detailed, and it has like the little beads in between it. So if somebody was showing me this one, this is one I would definitely buy. This one's really cute. This is it snaps around, and it has 2 different settings on it, so you can snap it smaller or bigger, and it kind of has like these different sections that kind of make it look like you're wearing multiple bracelets in one. So that's really cool. Oh, I really like this one. It's another stretchy one, but it's like metal all the way and big old rhinestones. Super pretty and shiny. And I love versatility. Like, that is one that obviously you could wear with a really fancy dress, or like you could stack it, you know, with like some more like basic everyday ones, and it would look super cute, like just stacked. Here's one with like, this is like a cuff, and it has like a little baby pink gemstone in there. Oh, and then to give you kind of an idea of all the different styles of bracelets that they make, this one is like a clasp closure. Oh, and it matches that other necklace that we saw with the crackle turquoise stones. So it has the little clasp and an extender. So a lot of these, I haven't like tried them out, probably not this one, but a lot of times when it's a clasp like that, you could wear it as an anklet too. This one looks a little bit smaller, so maybe not, but very pretty. Oh, I don't think we've looked at too many earrings either. Let's look at some earrings. Gala Go-Getter, so very pretty rhinestone, like teardrop style. Fish hook. Is it called fish hook back? I'm gonna have to figure out all my terminology. So really nice, like medium length. Millionaire debonair. So rhinestones with like a little black stone. Not a little, like a medium sized black stone in the middle. These were just like a little bit smaller than those last ones, but not like super dainty. Oh, there's the turquoise that matches that other set. Very pretty. And they're about the same size as those last ones, so smaller than what I'm wearing, but still like a good size. And here's some big ol', they're like hoop earrings, but dangly hoop earrings. Oh, and they all move. I don't know why I like the ones that move. But like 3 different pieces with like different textures on each one. There's like a hammered one and like a little design in that one. You cannot see that there. And then the biggest one is just kind of like a plain. And then on the back it has like a texture too, which is cool. So those are, they're about as long as the ones I'm wearing. Oh, I see pink. I haven't seen too much pink yet. Oh, those are really pretty. I may have already ordered these for myself and they haven't come yet. Or they might be slightly different. But I really like these. Look at those. Oh, they look kind of orangey in the camera, but they are definitely like a bright pink color. I need to like adjust my colors. Does this look? It does look kind of orangey. This is pink. Okay, and then an actual true hoop earring. Oh, I love those. I actually did order some more of these. Glitzy by Association. I think these might be a Blockbuster. They have the gems all around the outside, and then what I think is really cool is there's actually some rhinestones on the inside. So like when you're wearing them, you see it on the back. Like, hello, why did they not do that like from the start when you first started wearing hoop earrings with the gems? They would put the gems like all the way here and on the back, and I'm like, who's gonna see this? Let's put them on the inside. Somebody got smart. Thanks, Paparazzi. All right, we'll get some rings. There's a pretty pink one. That would look nice with that pink cuff bracelet. There's like a little rhinestone multi-layer. Oh, I gotta show you guys with the how these rings work, because you don't have to worry about sizes with Paparazzi. They will fit you without worrying about what size is my finger. Are they swollen? Did I put on 5 pounds and now my rings don't fit? Stuff like that. So they have a stretchy back. Stretchy, stretch, stretchy, stretch. So you put them on and see, it's like right there. Doesn't seem like it fits, but it stretches. So you just wiggle it on down there. And look at that. Perfect fit. And it's comfortable. You can't really see the rhinestones in this one. It's got like a row of big like oval rhinestones, and then a row of like little circle rhinestones, and then another row of the oval ones, and the back is stretchy. See how much that stretches? I can't figure out what angle I need to be. Stretch, stretch. So there's like skinny back stretchy rings, and then there's like thick back, like this one that I'm wearing. And I mean, it just matters like how thick the ring itself is, but they're both like super stretchy. Love them. Oh, there's the turquoise. We can make a whole set of turquoise. Who loves turquoise? I love turquoise. Actually, I think I have a... Yep, here's my turquoise earrings. I wear these like all the time. Favorite. Oh, there's the black one that goes with that other set. It's a little skinny back ring. And then here's my versatile one. I don't know how to say versatile. Versatile? 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 Oh, you can't say that. This would be like ring I'd wear all the time because it's cute and like, oh, you could just wear it on your thumb. Oh, I love it. You can see it. I'm learning how to work the camera here. Or like, I just realized I don't really want to give you the finger. I got a lot of rings. Don't mess with me. Alright, we got a few more necklaces and then my fall bonus. Okay, I know I have some fans of purple. And I got a purple necklace. So you better let me know if you want this and fast. Look at the little purple teardrop earrings and purple teardrop necklace. You can't see that. So pretty. It will sit still for you. I love the way that lays. Like, that is just so pretty. And it's kind of like a shorter medium. Gorgeous! Okay. Oh, this is really pretty too. The green. I think this might be the new green color, and I am like dying for it. Obviously, it's another color that I don't have, and nobody wants it. It might just live in my closet. Yes, this is so pretty. I think it's the Eden green. It's a little dangly ring, earrings, and then look at that green. It's a nice like fall green. Very pretty. This is another color that I live for. It says red. It looks like a cranberry. I don't know if they specify it in that much detail, but I don't know. I always call it cranberry. Love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love. Okay, one more necklace. This is the yellow. Vacay mode. Yes. Whoop. Oh, that's a long one. Little yellow beaded earrings. And this is a long chain with yellow beads and silver beads. And these ones that I'm leaving in the package I will take out before my actual live launch party so you can see better. And I'll probably be standing so you can actually see how long they are. Maybe I need to get taller. Okay, this is my Fall into Freedom, my extra, my bonus stuff. Oh, I think this is technically a man's bracelet. Paparazzi, I think, just recently started expanding into a men's line. Oh, it's leather. Kind of smells good. Probably not real leather. I don't think it's real leather, but it smells like it. So it's like this, another one of those little clasp bracelets, and it has 3 settings. But I mean, obviously you can wear this too. Women can wear it, so it would probably be also on the smallest setting. That's how it fits me. I would say I have medium wrists, but then it can go pretty big to the biggest size. You know, that's big enough for a man's wrist. So that's cool. New stuff. Oh, this kind of looks like the Blockbuster, the What a Gem one that I have and will keep in stock, only it's gold. Oh no, it's really long, so it's different. That darn staple. There we go. So it has the little gold tassel earrings, and oh, that feels like really nice though. Like the metal is thick and strong, so it's really long. It comes down into, I can't get it, there we go. This really pretty like gold tannish gemstone with the tassel under it. Really pretty. It feels like, you know, quality. I mean, that all does, but this one is just a little bit thicker. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, red acrylic, so they're like that plasticky material. They're, yeah, about the same length as what I'm wearing, so a nice medium, very bright red. They have kind of a cool pattern. Green post back earrings, oh, little like teardrops. This makes me think of Christmas. No, it's too early to think about Christmas in some people's opinion. Not mine. I think about Christmas all year long. And then the last bonus piece of jewelry is a really pretty purple ring. And those are purple stones in there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's like a darkish purple, medium dark purple. And let me see, I'm gonna put it on this finger. Very pretty. Alright, so that's it. Tried to go through those fairly quickly. I would go through a little slower, and I'll have numbers on them for the live launch party. Planning on doing that sometime this weekend. If I can get it put together tonight, we might go live tonight. I will have Maxwell will be my assistant, my son. He's very excited. He wants to be a YouTuber. He's been watching other kids do YouTube, and he thinks it looks like a lot of fun. So he's going to help me. If we can get that all together, we might go live tonight. If not, it'll probably be tomorrow afternoon, late morning. So I'll post updates on my Facebook page, and just let me know if you have any questions. Comment. Yeah, so tune in, keep in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye.